If you want wound anesthesia to hurt less and work better, this is how I do it in the ER. Use the thinnest and longest needle available. I prefer a 27 gauge 1.5 inch. A thinner needle reduces injection pain, and a longer needle allows you to anesthetize more area without re-breaking the skin. I avoid repuncturing intact skin. That's often one of the most painful parts. Instead, I enter through the wound itself and infiltrate along the dermis, extending into the subcutaneous tissue as needed. For wounds about the length of the needle or shorter, enter within the dermis at one end of the wound. Advance the needle towards the far edge, aspirate briefly, then as you slowly withdraw, inject anesthetic. Extend slightly beyond the wound edges to ensure corners are fully anesthetized. These are often undertreated. And repeat on the opposite side. For wounds longer than the needle, start at one end and work in segments. Inject as you slowly withdraw, then re-enter through tissue that has already been anesthetized until the entire wound is covered. This allows you to anesthetize the full length without creating new painful punctures and improves patient comfort. Good anesthesia makes everything else easier for you and the patient.